The Hypergo H16BM RC truck features a powerful brushless motor with a metal heatsink and cooling fans, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Its durable metal gears and differential provide excellent power distribution for a perfect four-wheel drive experience, minimizing power loss with the help of 16 ball bearings. Constructed with a robust honeycomb chassis and reinforced with zinc metal sheets, this truck can withstand significant impacts, making it suitable for various terrains. Equipped with pre-mounted sponge-inserted tires and oil-filled absorbers, the truck maintains stability and reduces shaking even at high speeds. This RC truck excels in performing stunts like big jumps, popping wheelies, and backflips, powered by a 2S 7.4-volt 1050 milliampere hour LiPo battery and a brushless motor reaching speeds over 27 miles per hour. The independent smart electronic speed control supports both 2S and 3S LiPo batteries, enabling the truck to achieve speeds exceeding 42 miles per hour under optimal conditions.